Hello and welcome back to our SOLIDWORKS tutorial series. In this lecture we are going to see how DOM feature works in SOLIDWORKS. So for this purpose, let me just draw a simple cylinder. Let's say we have this cylinder and we want to create a DOM at this section. Then I will click on insert, click on features and just click on DOM here. Now you see when we click on DOM, something of circular feature shows here. We can change its size. Now if we change the size, now it is not tangent to the bottom. It is now exceeding the outer dia of the cylinder. So let me click to elliptical DOM. Now by clicking elliptical DOM, you see now it has become tangent to the cylinder exterior. So if I click on check, you see here now we have shape of a bullet something. But if I don't click on elliptical DOM and click round, now we have something like this. Alright, so let's me just take it to as elliptical DOM. We can also do other things like reversing the direction. If we reverse the direction, click on OK, you see here now something like this here has sketched here. By clicking in section, let's say you see here now there is a depth here, and if we don't do elliptical DOM, then very irregular shape will happen and it is given a error. That's not possible. So let me just create another shape like let me hide this and create a shape like something like this. Clicking extrude base and we have this now. So if I click on feature DOM here and I click on this surface, now you see here it is not necessary to have a cylinder type shape. You can use DOM feature on the irregular surfaces like this. Now we have something like this, and if I reverse the shape, it happens inside. And again clicking on insert feature DOM and clicking on the straight side, you see here now something of this is showing preview here. And if I click on inside, it shows that. Let's me see how it can work or not. No, it will not, because it will be intersecting this, and because of this slim thickness here, it is not possible. So let me reverse that direction. Now it is not again possible. That may be of this end. Let me just change this end. Let me sketch a straight line here and click on the like this something. Now we have created this. So let me just sketch here, click on DOM feature again and click on here and click on, you see here now something like this has been created here. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video.